Hi guys, and welcome to U-Wrench. Today working on the Grand Caravan 2008 through 2020 with the 3.6 litre engine, same engine in the Chrysler Town Country, and just a quick video to show you how to remove and refit your top engine cover. So to remove your cover, simply lift it on each of the corners, and we'll see on the back it has these kind of rubber ball and socket connectors. So these are the sockets, and just down here we can see one of the balls that this one will actually attach into right here, and we've got one here, another at the back there, and another one just there in front of the throttle body. Sometimes these rubber bits can get stuck on the pins, and so you'll pull this off and you'll look at where the 4 of these should be, and there'll be one missing. That will be because it may well be stuck on there. If it is, just pull it off of there and slot it back in. They just slot in sideways. So obviously to refit it, all you do is get those 4 lockets, those little sockets lined up, and just gently push down each of the 4 corners, and that's it refitted.